Welcome to Cult Classic Cinema Archive. Released in 1930, Cleaning Up is a Paramount comedy short starring Chester Conklin and Mack Swain, two veterans of the silent slapstick world. The story turns street cleaners into accidental policemen after they save the police commissioner, and then sends them after a wanted criminal with predictable chaos. What makes the short interesting today is its connection to an earlier style of screen comedy. Conklin and Swain had deep roots in the Keystone-era, so this film feels like silent slapstick trying to survive inside the new sound film world. It's rough around the edges, but historically revealing. And without further ado, here's the movie. Thank you for stopping by.
You tired this morning?
Sure I'm tired. You'd be tired, too, if you worked at that horse show last night.
Well, it could have been worse. Might have been elephants.
Yeah?
Yeah. So long, Tess. I'll see you tonight.
All right, Mack. On your side.
Oh, you dirty little shrimp, you.
I'd rather be a shrimp than an elephant, you great, big, leaping tuna. You.
Leaping tuna? Say, I'll leap on you in a minute.
Oh, believe me, I hate.
Oh, ain't no horse.
You for this. Oh. 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 Hey there, what's the matter? What do you mean? Get back in there. Put your hands up. Put your hands up there. Come on, Commissioner. Target practice. Come on.
What do you want? Who are you?
I'm Burke from Clancy's.
Burke. Have mercy, Burke.
Hey, don't you throw that now. Hey, don't you throw that now. Don't you. Get back. Get back.
Wait till I get Burke.
What happened, Mack? This cement.
Boy, you're brave men. You've saved my life. You should be on the police force.
Yeah?
Here. Now see me in my office in the morning. Yes,
We'll be
sir.
right over.
Yes, sir.
What time will you be in?
Oh, wait a minute. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Goodbye,
Oh, help, man. They got me. Help.
Wait a minute. That's it.
All right, boys, clear out. This is going fire now. Come on, get out. All right, come on, get out. Come on, get it out. Never mind. Get out. Boys, your beat's down on Clancy Street. And say, there's a fellow by the name of Burke down there. Bring him in.
Burke?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right, check out.
Two street sweepers saved police commissioner's life. Appointed the police force to clean up the Clancy Street gang. Sit down. Leave it to me. Hey, Harry. Yeah. Wait there, Bill. Now, don't you hurt him. Bring him to me. All right, pal. Well, Chester, this is the life.
Yeah, it sure beats pushing that broom around.
Say, I'll meet you around the block here.
Okay, oh, Mack.
Yeah.
Say, if you need me, just take your whistle and blow it like this. Well, what's the matter?
Well, what happened?
I don't know.
Say, listen. Maybe there's a fire around here somewhere.
Yeah?
We'll take a look around. Come on.
Let's go find it.
Say, Mickey, Burke wants us to bring the two cops down to the joint, see? There's one now. Duck. Now, let's grab him. Come on, here. Now, I hate cops. You...
Hey! What's the talkie you
Hey, Mack, help.
Lordy, what you all doing?
Ah, we thought you was a cop.
Come on, this way.
Let's get him.
Oh, Lordy. I got it.
You all got what?
I don't know what it is, but I got it. Ah! You've been what been fooling me, huh?
Hey, don't do that. Don't you hit me. You can't hit an officer. Hey, don't you throw that now. You might break a window.
I ain't gonna hit no window. I'm gonna hit your head.
Don't... Hey, I'm... Mack! Mack!
What's the matter?
Look what I found.
Say, what's happened, Chess?
I don't know.
You're up here.
Oh. Take me home.
Take you home?
Yes.
Say, where is your home?
Around the corner.
Round the
downstairs.
Yeah. Oh. You're all right. You can walk home. Come on, Chess.
Ah!
Hey, Mack! Mack! She's gone again.
Say, what's the idea? What does this mean?
I'll take her home.
You'll take her home. We'll take her home. How are you, gal?
Oh, I'm all right.
All right, Chess, we can go.
Boys, I want you to meet the boss.
How do you do, sir? Glad to know you.
How do you do? Oh, Chess, look. Our picture in the paper.
Oh,
What do
that's
you do?
us.
Yes.
Oh, you brave little man.
Yes? That wasn't anything. You know those dirty gangsters?
Oh, yes.
They had that commissioner in their car. And I saw him.
We saw him.
Then I ran up and I fought him.
We fought him.
And he was bigger than you are, too.
No.
Yes, sir. Then I took his machine gun away from him, and I went, and they all ran away.
Oh.
Wasn't nothing. Say, come here. Do you know a fellow by the name of Burke?
Sure.
I want to arrest him.
We want to arrest him.
Oh, just stick around. He drops in here all the time.
Yeah?
Right here.
Sure.
Come on to my office. I want to talk to you.
Sure. Come on, Chess.
Oh, no. You stay here with me, won't you?
I'm going to stay here.
All right, I'll be back in a minute.
Oh, I adore brave little men. Tell me all about your story, won't you? Oh, you are such a nice little policeman.
What's that?
Oh, that was only a little kitty playing.
There's something funny going on around here. Something must be going on in there. Hey, Mack! Hey, Mack! Lady! Oh, lady! Oh, lady! Lady! Oh, come here. Huh? Come on. No, Lady. Oh, Mack, what's the matter? Mack, have you been drinking? Hey, Mack, I'm up Hey, stop it! There's dynamite on that wagon.
We was lucky to get away from there.
Hey, stop!
Won't be long now.
Oh, Mack, look, we got Burke.
Hey! Go on there.
Look out of the way up there. I wonder what I'm going to charge you. Help, police! Let go my pants!
Help! Help! Hurry up, Chester!
Stop! This box is slipping! Stop it!
Oh, Chester!
There! What are you trying to do? Go up your sound? Stop that horse!
Have you heard anything from those birds down on Clancy Street yet? No, you won't hear anything about those birds until they bring them in here feet first. They most likely bring them in an ambulance or something like that. That's Burke, all right.
There we are, boys. There, come, I told you we got him.
That's going all right.
Hey, how about me? I got that too.
Mack, you know, that street sweeping job wasn't so bad after all.
Uh-oh.